Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Claude Mythos, as you can see, and use locally on your machine. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google, download Ollama from here, download for Windows. Okay, now let's go here, open folder, and install Ollama. Install. Okay, close this and close this. Now, what I want to do is to go here and sign in an Ollama website, continue with Google, use your Google account, hit continue. Okay, minimize this one and go here, search for Ollama. Where is Ollama? Okay, open file location and go here, send to desktop as shortcut. Now open Ollama, go to settings, sign in here, connect, and the connection is successfully verified. Now let's install a model for Ollama. Let's go here, return here to this website, Ollama, search for models. For example, let's search for Claude Mythos. We have to use this model, and let's select this Claude Mythos 6. 5 is for this final version. Okay, and click here. Okay, and download. After that, let's go here, copy it, and let's search for command prompt. Copy this downloading link, and Ollama is starting downloading right now. Close this, and let's wait. Okay, fine. Downloading of Claude Mythos 6 is finished. Let's test it. For example, let's say hi. I start thinking like now. Creating Claude Mythos. As you can see, it works fine. This Claude Mythos with full MCP tool. Wanna use this one on the next tutorial. Okay, let's test it for coding. Let's close this. Let's open VS Code. Go here to extensions, search for continue. This extension allows you to run AI agents locally on your machine. Okay, fine, it's installed. And now go here on this skill previous and select model for this model, chat model. Open AI, search for Ollama. Model make it auto detect and hit connect. Okay, as you can see, it's detected automatically. Claude Mythos. Okay, let's say. Okay, let's create a website about the evolution of AI from 2020 to 2050. And let's see, hit enter. Okay, guys, as you can see, it works fine. It started working. This Claude Mythos start creating our website. You can tell it anything, guys, you want. Thank you, guys, for watching. That's all for this tutorial.